Verify that all components are intact and accounted for. Attach the Modesty panel to the back side of the bench legs using the 4 5/8 bench screws. Using the 4 5/8 bench screws, attach the bench legs to the metal bench shelf using the holes 5.5 inches from the top of the bench legs. The metal shelf will have a front indication mark on the underside of the shelf. Be sure that the mark faces forward, otherwise the shaker will rest against the shelf. Remove the 4 1/4-20 nuts as well as the 4 1/4-20 nylon lock nuts from the carriage bolts attached to the wooden shelf. Guide the 4 carriage bolts attached to the wooden shelf through the 4 holes in the brackets attached to the bench legs. Reattach the 1/4-20 nuts followed by the nylon lock nuts and secure them both down properly. Unbox, remove, and place the BWPA 4000 power amp towards the back of the wooden shelf to provide clearance for the shaker. Place the ISO ring in the center portion of the curve on the wooden shelf, followed by the shaker placed directly on top of the ISO ring. Attach the rear 16-inch bench top using the 4 3-inch bench screws. Next, attach the front 14-inch bench top using the 4 3-inch bench screws. Be cautious not to damage the test head while passing it through the test head cutout in the bench top. Insert the DAC unit through the back side of the bench. Place foot switch under bench and route to the DAC unit.